Welcome to SE Custom Designs. We're doing a really quick video here on some demise. We had a whoopsies. So I quite frankly don't have time to take this apart on this Labor Day weekend and continue. I need to make progress on the porch here. So, I barely got started and this happened to me. But a tip for you, and I didn't follow my own tip, is that you work away from your chords. So I made the mistake of working into my cord. So like this, and then moving over. So guess what? I went and I picked up maybe it's equivalent, but basically the design. It's kind of like they call this one here the dragster, okay, the Black & Decker dragster. So I'm being told they're virtually the same unit. I hope that, however, that the tracking is better. Okay, so the tracking, I have to constantly push over by turning this knob, the belt, because it wants to come into itself. And you'll notice that it loses its power when it does that, and it degrades the unit. It eats into itself. So I'm going to go ahead and unpackage this guy. I won't have time to do an unboxing and all that sort of business at the time, but I'll certainly let you know what I feel about the unit. And I really have to get going. So this guy here ran me around $59, I believe it was. The same buy-in price for this guy. For this unit here. So and if funny thing was the sandpaper you see there, I walked away just buying the unit, and neither me nor the assistant thought about the sandpaper, so I had to turn around and go ahead and get back. Thank God I didn't get too far. So I decided I was going to go even lower with my grit to a 36 grit. I think I have around a 60 I think a 60 grit on here. So I went even lower because I'd like to make even better time. So hopefully 4 belts of this grit here will be able to get me through the job. Okay, so enough said. I got to get going. If you've been following this mini series, I'm going to tag them all together. This is the porch repair, where we did a lot of porch repair here. Look that up, where we joined 2x12s with biscuit jointed, and we notched on both sides. Okay, then we had to make these two guys here, put them under there. Lots of work we did. And then today I quickly did this here, and look up that little mini series. They're like 2-3 minute videos, and I'll show you all the progress. Okay, so that's that. Let's go ahead and continue doing the work that needs to be done. I can't get it done fast enough. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Hit the subscribe button and the bell. And there's various choices for the bell, where you can see all the videos that go up as soon as I put them up there. Thanks. Take care. Shalom uvracha. Masalami tot zaijian, and goodbye.